Hi, kindergartners. Last time we talked about fair ways to play. We talked about 3 fair ways to play: taking turns, trading, and sharing. Today we will learn about more ways to have fun with your friends. We're going to learn how 2 friends can both have fun when they're playing together. This is Paula, and this is Kira. They are friends, but they are having a problem. Kira wants to play with puppets, and Paula says, I don't want to play with puppets. I want to build with these logs. Kira says, but I don't want to. I want to play puppets now. Have you ever had that kind of a problem with your friend where you each want to play a different game or play with a different toy? I'm sure you have. Do Kira and Paula want to play the same thing, with the same toys, or different? They want to play with different toys, don't they? She wants to play with puppets, and she wants to play with the building logs. Does this mean that Paula doesn't want to play with Kira? No, it doesn't mean she doesn't want to play with her. They just want to play with different things. Are they still friends? Yes, they are still friends. A friend is still a friend even if she wants to do something different than you. Isn't that right? You can still be friends even if you want to do a different activity. How are the girls feeling, do you think? They want to play together. They're friends and they want to spend time together. They don't want to play with the same thing. I think maybe they're feeling frustrated or unhappy or sad. Let's help them solve the problem. Move that over just a little. There we go. So the first thing is say the problem. They want to play with different toys. Think of solutions. What are some solutions that we could help these 2 girls think of? Well, we learned last week about sharing, trading, and taking turns. Would one of those work here? Could they take turns playing with the toy that they want to play with? That's one possible solution. Could they maybe set a timer and take turns that way? They could do that. Could they just decide not to play the same thing at the same time, but just be at the same table? They could do that. They could play both of these together. Like she could build a home for the puppets, and she could play with the puppets. So they could play together, but with different toys, couldn't they? They could do that too. How would Kira feel? Oops, Kira feel if Paula said, "Fine, I don't want to play with you." How would she feel if instead of coming up with a way to play together, she just got mad and said, "I don't want to play with you then"? How would she feel about that? That would make her feel sad, wouldn't it? Or maybe even mad. How would Paula feel if Kira said, "You're not my friend anymore"? Can we still be friends even if we don't want to play the same toy with the same toy or the same game? Yes. So would that make her feel sad if she said she didn't want to be friends anymore? That would be very sad, I think. Paula and Kira really listen to each other. They talk about different things they could play. They choose playing with logs now and puppets later. They both are happy and have lots of fun. Is their solution fair? Is it fair to take turns? It is fair. Very fair. They choose taking turns, which is one of the fair ways to play. Which is right here. So we have sharing, taking turns, and trading. Taking turns is one of the fair ways to play. Now, today, you have learned that when friends play in fair ways, they have fun. So they can play together in a fair way and have fun. When you play with a friend today, or tomorrow, or sometime this next week, try to find fun and fair ways to play together. And remember to listen carefully to each other's ideas. Remember, it's okay if you don't want to play the same thing at the same time. And there might even be a fair way to play together with two different toys, just like these ladies did. Have a great week. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.